Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Yorkshire pudding. Preheat oven to 220 degrees C or 425 degrees F and heat oil in the tin until smoking hot. Whisk eggs, flour, milk, and a pinch of salt until smooth, then rest the batter to relax gluten and trap air. Pour batter into the hot oil, filling each mold halfway, and bake until puffed and golden brown for crisp edges and soft centers. Start with room temperature ingredients to make a silkier batter that rises well. Use a whisk or blender to combine flour, eggs, and milk, and aim for a pourable consistency similar to heavy cream. Let the batter rest so bubbles form and the flour hydrates, which improves structure and crispness. Keep the oil very hot before adding batter to guarantee an instant lift and dramatic puff in the oven. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel and more easy recipes. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth is an entertaining pick that might change how you think about money while your puddings rise. It makes waiting feel productive and oddly satisfying. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you buy through it, I appreciate the support. Now let's get back to the video. Choose a metal tin with deep wells and preheat both oven and fat until smoking but safe to handle. Pour batter quickly into each hot well and slide the tray back in the oven immediately to trap steam and encourage rise. Resist opening the door early. Steady heat means taller puddings with hollow centers. Finish when they are deeply golden and crisp outside with tender interiors, then serve immediately for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.